welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. I have a little project I want to share with you today. For my followers in America, you know what I'm going to say. In America, you can get stores like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and things like that, where you get a lot of Christmassy things that you can put on the walls. Paintings, canvases, that type of thing. Here in England, unfortunately, we don't have. So I have to get creative. So I came up with an idea. I got this cushion cover. Yeah, I bought it on eBay, but it actually came all the way from China apparently. It cost me $1.99 or $2.99. And also on eBay, I bought this frame. It's quite cheap. I can't remember the price now. It's quite a good size, probably about $6.99, $5.99, something like that. So I dismantle the frame. This is not even glass. It's plastic, but for what I want, it's more than sufficient. It doesn't need to be glass. Maybe that's why it's so cheap. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I want to create, I guess you can call it wall art, something like that. It's just a painting, a frame to put on the wall regarding Christmas, about Christmas. So I'm going to use the plastic front, what should be the glass, and I'm going to use it as a template. Frame this the best I can. And now I'm going to use a pen, or if you feel the need, you can use a Sharpie as well. So basically what I'm going to do is to mark where I need to cut for the cushion cover to fit my frame, basically. You can use this for a lot of things. I have done something similar with a shopping bag that I have in a carrot or Hunter's Hall. So it should be quite straightforward, and you can use anything for anything really that you want to use. It's quite a straightforward way to create wall. Now that I have marked, I'm just going to cut. I don't want to cut both sides because this is lovely on this side, and I'm sure I will have some use for it at some point. So now that I have cut the piece, I just assemble the frame again. So this is the finished project. I think it looks really nice. You can use it for all different type of things, and I think it's quite a nice way to do personalized wall art around your house. So as you can see behind me, the Christmas decorations are out. I will be doing a video in the next couple of days. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate every single one of you. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up if you like the video, and to subscribe if you haven't done already. It's completely free. and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.